Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a birthday party haul for you. This is all the stuff for Connor's birthday party, his 4th birthday party. He will be 4 on February the 24th at 4:33 p.m. The first thing I got was this birthday bag. Has a tag on it that says Happy B-Day and party, celebrate, cheers, rock out, happy B-Day, make a wish, celebrate, all that stuff. And I just really liked this one. They had some really cute ones, but for, you know, a boy and kind of like the colors that go along with the party stuff I got him, this looks great. Also, I got this plain light blue paper. I actually really like it. It's really pretty. They didn't have any birthday paper to choose from. Just like solid colors, which is okay. They have tons of beautiful bows. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So I got this 3-pack of curly bows here. And it's going to match perfectly with this paper. So that's for his party. And the gifts, of course. I got this candle set because I'm making his cake. And I'm going to do sprinkled out number 4 on his cake. And I like these candles. So I'm going to use these this year. And we decided to go with the Lego kind of theme. He's big into like Legos and Minecraft and all that kind of stuff anyways, and it's just perfect that the Dollar Tree had this stuff here for $1 each. We got 2 of the big happy birthday plates, and you'll get 18 plates in here. We do cake and food at the party too. And I got 2 of these small ones, and there's 20 each in those. Got 2 Lego tablecloths, which I thought were actually really nice. And one's for like food and cake table, one for gift table, and the rest of the tables will just be bare. And 2 of the happy birthday napkins. And I really like this stuff. It's really nice. And for forks and spoons and knives, I just grabbed 2 of the 48-piece packages. And I got a blue one and a green one. I actually really wanted green and orange, but they didn't have orange at the Dollar Tree, so these are the 2 I chose. And then for cups, I got a green cup. There's 12 in here in each pack, so green, yellow, red, and blue. Red and blue, and that goes perfect with the theme right there. So that's all for Connor's birthday party haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls. Don't forget to check that description box for additional Dollar Tree links. Don't forget to like the video, ring the bell, and subscribe if you haven't already.